This video is going to cover using product variants. So this is going to involve setting up a product with a product variant or adding it to existing product, and then how to set this up so that your user can buy different variants of your products. So what is a product variant? A product variant is something where it is the same price as your product, but it needs to be a more specific detail. So for instance, if I owned a t-shirt business, my t-shirts all cost £25, but I need my user to specify separate variants, such as the colour of t-shirt they want or the size that they want. You can now do this within Convertri by setting up different variants for products and then having these on the page. So, to set up a product with a product variant or to add one to a new product, go to the cart dashboard in the top hand menu and make sure you're in products in the left hand menu. You could either click edit and add it to the modal here, but I'm going to create a new product. I'm going to set a price for this product. And then from the left hand menu, I'm going to select variants. You can have different categories, and you will need to add a drop down for each of these on the page checkout, which we'll get to in a second. So I'm going to stay with my t-shirt analogy, and I'm going to make my first category size. I have 3 sizes of shirt: small, add, medium, and large. By typing in the sections and then adding them, I can now see the different variants. I can edit the names of these or get rid of them if I don't want to sell a variant for this anymore. These arrows here allow you to decide what order these are available in your drop down. So maybe I don't want it to display small, medium, large, but instead I want it to display large, medium, small. So I'll move large up using the arrows and medium. So now it says large, medium, small. You can have up to 15 variants per category. Then if I wanted to edit the colour so that they could have a different colour t-shirt, I would set up another variant category and set up the different options for this as well. Once I'm happy with these and the order in which they're displaying, I can click create. And just like any other normal product, my variant product is now created. Now I'm ready to place this variant on a page with a checkout. So go to campaigns dashboard and go to the funnel and page where you want to set up this product. Please be aware that you can use product variants both on on-page checkouts and on modal checkouts, but you can't use the PayPal integration with on-page checkouts. This is an upcoming feature, but right now if you want your users to be able to use PayPal to buy your variants, you'll need to be using Convertri's own modal checkout. So here I have a page where I'm selling a product, and this button here opens my modal checkout, which I will be using for today's example. But before I can actually set this page up and publish it, I need to add drop downs to allow my user to pick a variant. If you don't add these drop downs, when this button is clicked, an error will show, because you need to have your user pick which variant of your product you would like in order for the checkout to open or the sale to go through on an on-page checkout. If you add a variant to a product that you already have existing, then you will need to also add these to the page, or an error will also come up. So to add the drop down, go to form elements and drop down, and I had 2 different variants, so I'm going to add 2 of these. Then go to products in the top hand menu and select the product that has the variants. Now when you click in the drop down settings, choose product variants from the options and then choose which category, which would be the categories that you set up. I need 1 drop down for each because I have 2 categories. So if I only included 1, then it would not allow me to open the modal checkout on my page. Once these are both on your page, you're ready to publish. And when your user is on your page itself, they will be able to select the different colours that you set up and the different sizes in the order that you ask them to display. You'll also be able to see this in the modal checkout if you decide to use it. If you want to see what variant was purchased, for example, if you want to know which variant to ship out to your user, go back to your cart dashboard. Instead of products, click orders. You'll get a full list of all the orders that have been made and find the one which was the purchase which had the variant. Click details. Then click on the item here under the products heading. And underneath product variant, it will show you the option. So the user chose red and the size option 1.